Do you want to level concrete slab easy and fast? You need a Copperhead Laser Screed. Notice, no flammable stuff are allowed on the ship when transporting the walk-behind laser screed machine, so there will be no engine oil and gasoline in the engine when you receive it. You will need to fill it up with 15W40 type of air-cooled engine oil. If you don't have that kind of engine oil, you can also use other types of air-cooled petrol that can be used on a gasoline generator, but it has to be air-cooled type of petrol. The amount of engine oil for this machine is 0.6 to 0.8 L. 2. The startup method of the walk-behind laser screed. In the video of 5.02.05.25a, open the machine key, open the engine throttle, pull the starting rope of the generator, start the engine and close the throttle. 3. Plug device on wheels of the walk-behind laser screed machine. As the picture shown below, there is a bolt device on the wheel of the walk-behind laser screed machine. When the plug device goes down, the wheel is fixed on the power system of the machine, and only when the power system moves, the wheel will move. When the plug device is lifted, the motion of the wheel is not controlled by the power system, and you can drive the machine to walk freely. The high-pressure cleaner. You can use it by connecting it with the laser screed machine. When using it, plug it into the plug-in ports on the back of the machine in the picture, and switch the machine to power supply mode. 5. When choosing between the wide wheel and the narrow wheel, you should be fine with the narrow wheel most of the time, except when you are running the machine on the double-layer steel mesh. For the normal single-layer steel mesh, the narrow wheel should work fine. 6. Other SIP. The new walk-behind laser screed machine usually changes the oil within 50 hours, and then every 100 to every 130 hours. B. The transmitter and receiver are strictly prohibited from falling. C. It is better to wipe a layer of waste oil on the leveling head before the machine is used, so that it will be convenient to clean it up later. D. After using the walk-behind laser screed machine, please clean up the remaining concrete in time.